Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be using bundles from Isee hair. It's an 8-inch closure and I think 10, 12, 14-inch bundles. And also came with some eyelashes. And y'all, look how big that bundle is. I'm going to be using these bundles to make a wig. But first, before we start this video, let's get into these contacts from JUST4KIRA. Y'all, JUST4KIRA sent me so many contacts. Look how many contacts come in that box. And then look at their packaging. Like, that is so cute. It comes with a thank you card for shopping with them. They give you all these contacts plus storages to put your contacts in when you're done with them. Plus, they give you care instructions for your contacts too. As you can see, they have a very cute packaging, and it comes with a name on every single pack. Okay, y'all, let me show you. This is green. This is gray. They look so good. This is blue. And that is gold or yellow. So y'all go shop with JUST4KIRA. Link in the description. So we're gonna get started on this wig. As y'all can see, I already put the closure on there.
Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was.
So y'all, when I do my wigs, I always start my first track around the perimeter of the wig because I don't want no tracks to be showing in the front of the wig or in the back of the wig. So I sew around the perimeter. But y'all will see when I get done with the first track.
If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my, so won't you say my name, If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games,
So this is what it looked like when the first track is sewn around. Now I'm just gonna start going track by track until I reach the closure.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. And you packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yeah, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck.
So I had finished putting the rest of the tracks in off camera, but now I'm just gonna take the extra cap that's under the closure and cut it off because we don't need it no more. And that's what it looked like right there. And now it's time to style it. Alright y'all, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Big boobs in the bus, they pump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.